Welcome to our science lesson on chemicals. Today, you'll learn what chemicals are, how they are classified, and how to handle them safely. Chemicals are substances made of matter. They can be found in nature or created by humans. You use chemicals every day, often without knowing it. Chemicals are used everywhere, in homes, in schools, on farms, in hospitals, and in factories. We use chemicals daily. Some common ones are water, salt, soap, medicine, and fertilizers. These substances can help us clean, heal, grow food, and more. Chemicals can be in 3 states: solid, liquid, or gas. For example, salt is a solid, water is a liquid, and oxygen is a gas. We can classify chemicals based on how we use them, or how hazardous they are. Let us first group chemicals by how we use them. They help us stay healthy, grow food, manufacture goods, and conduct experiments. The examples of chemicals based on their use are pharmaceuticals and cosmetics, nuclear chemicals, agrochemicals, industrial chemicals, laboratory chemicals. Let's take a look at these chemicals individually. These chemicals are found in drugs and personal care items. Examples include paracetamol for pain relief, antiseptics for killing germs, and lotions for skin care. Nuclear chemicals are powerful substances used to generate electricity. Uranium is one example. They must be handled with extreme care. Farmers use agrochemicals to improve crop yield and fight pests. Examples are fertilizers, herbicides, and insecticides. Factories rely on industrial chemicals to make products. Examples include acids for reactions and materials for making plastics. Laboratory chemicals are used in schools and research labs. Examples include sodium chloride, copper sulfate, and ethanol. Now, let us look at how chemicals are grouped by how dangerous they are. These are 1. Highly hazardous or toxic chemicals. 2. Moderately hazardous or toxic chemicals. And lastly, non-hazardous chemicals. These are dangerous chemicals that can cause serious injury or even death. Always wear gloves, masks, and goggles when handling them. These chemicals are less dangerous but must still be handled carefully. Examples are bleach and weak acids. Some chemicals are not harmful when used the right way. Water and table salt are good examples. Chemical signs and symbols are used to warn us about the dangers of chemicals. They are easy to recognize and help us stay safe. You will see them on chemical containers, safety labels, and warning signs. Chemical hazard symbols give us quick information about how dangerous a substance is. The skull and crossbones means the substance is toxic and can cause serious harm. The flame symbol tells us it is flammable and can catch fire easily. The test tube pouring on a hand means it is corrosive and can damage skin or materials. The radioactive sign shows it emits dangerous radiation. The biohazard symbol warns us that it contains harmful biological materials. The circle with a flame above it means oxidizing. These substances worsen fire when they touch flammable items. The exploding bomb symbol means the chemical is explosive and may blow up if heated or shaken. The gas cylinder symbol stands for compressed gas. This can burst or cause frostbite if released suddenly. The symbol with a dead fish and tree means the chemical is dangerous to the environment. It can poison water, animals, or plants. Let us now test your understanding. Multiple choice questions. Question 1. Which of the following is a natural chemical? Options are A. Plastic, B. Soap, C. Water, D. Lotion. Question 2. What type of chemical is used in farming to kill insects? Options are A. Antiseptic, B. Insecticide, C. Uranium, D. Bleach. Question 3. Which chemical is non-hazardous when used properly? Options are A. Concentrated acid, B. Bleach, C. Table salt, D. Radioactive material. Question 4. Which of these is a laboratory chemical? Options are A. Fertilizer, B. Paracetamol, C. Copper sulfate, D. Cream. Now, short answer questions. Question 5. Define a chemical in simple terms. Question 6. Mention 2 examples of industrial chemicals. Question 7. Write the chemical symbol for water. Question 8. Give one safety rule when handling hazardous chemicals. Take a moment to write down your answers. Thanks for watching. To deepen your understanding of any topic, explore our comprehensive resources, including revision notes, past questions, gamified quizzes, and workbooks. These tools are designed to help you master the concept effectively and enjoyably.